A hypothesis is a clear and testable statement that proposes a possible explanation for an observed phenomenon. It serves as the foundation of the scientific method, guiding researchers in designing experiments to gather evidence and draw conclusions.
Hypotheses are crucial because they provide a framework for scientific investigations. They help scientists make predictions, design experiments, and evaluate results. A well-crafted hypothesis sets the stage for meaningful and systematic exploration. When formulating a hypothesis, it's essential to be specific and testable. Let's consider an example related to biology. Suppose we're curious about the effect of a new fertilizer on plant growth. Our hypothesis could be, if plants are treated with the new fertilizer, then their growth rate will increase. In our plant growth example, the independent variable is the new fertilizer, and the dependent variable is the growth rate of the plants. Remember, the independent variable is what you change, and the dependent variable is what you measure. Alongside our hypothesis, we often encounter the null hypothesis. This is a statement that suggests no effect or no significant difference. In our example, the null hypothesis might be, there is no significant difference in the growth rate of plants treated with the new fertilizer compared to untreated plants. A well-designed experiment includes control groups, where no treatment is applied, and experimental groups, where the independent variable is manipulated. This helps researchers isolate the effects of the variable being tested. Once the experiment is conducted, data is collected and analyzed. In our plant growth example, we would measure and compare the growth rates of plants in the control and experimental groups. Statistical analysis helps determine if any observed differences are significant. After looking at the data, scientists make decisions. If the results agree with what we thought might happen, our hypothesis, it makes our idea stronger. But if they don't match, we might need to rethink our idea or how we did the experiment. This back and forth process is important in science because it helps us learn and improve our understanding. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel for more videos related to biology.